Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Pro, and today we have a 2016 Mitsubishi Pajero. Stock reference number 7388. The shape runs from the 9th month 2014 through to the 9th month 2016. It has a 4M41 3.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel drive transmission. 4M41 3.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the left hand headlight, left fog light, left guard, left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has no damage, left rear door has no damage, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left hand tail light, spare wheel cover, tailgate appears to have no damage, tidy rear bumper, factory fitted tow bar with all bolts and brackets and loom, right tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has one small dent. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, black leather center console lid, automatic type console, 4-wheel drive type, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, touchscreen media player, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke black leather steering wheel.